Story learning with practice.
Unit 2.4 Story Time. Unity is Strength. Today we will understand what this lesson teaches us and what this story is all about. This is a story about an old farmer who lives with his 4 sons in a village. His 4 sons would always fight with each other and would never agree with each other, which caused a lot of problems among them, and how their father taught them a good lesson through which they were able to find success. So let's read. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. So here we read that this old man is very worried. Why is he worried? We can see the 4 sons who are always fighting with each other. We can see them pointing fingers at each other. We can see they come from 4 different occupations. They probably think differently and they do think differently. So they would never agree on anything. And this caused the old man a lot of worry. Quarreling is another word for fighting. And he kept telling them, children don't fight. They would not listen and they would fight for everything. One day, he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2. Now we see here that the old man, their father, was fed up of all their fighting. So he thought of teaching them a lesson, of teaching them some moral values. So he tells them to come over and he gives them a small bundle of sticks. You can see the small bundle of sticks kept next to him. And he tells them that, why don't you try breaking this bundle into 2? It's so easy, said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. Now the eldest son said, let me do it. It is very easy. It is just a bundle of sticks and I can break it in no time. And can you see his brothers, how they are looking at him? They are seeing how he is trying to act smart, they are thinking. But let's see what happens. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again. Now he is surprised that bundle of sticks is just not breaking. He thought it would be very easy. He said it's so easy. But the bundle of sticks is just not breaking. Now his brothers are also surprised that their eldest brother cannot even break the bundle of sticks, and they think that they can do it. But the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. The eldest son tried his best to try and break the sticks. He even used more force, means he used more strength. He's trying to break them, bending them, breaking them, but they just would not break. Can you see his brothers? They are so surprised that he could not break the bundle of sticks. And can you see the father? He is smiling that the bundle of sticks have not broken. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Now the brothers are saying, let us break the bundle of sticks. We are stronger than you. We can do it faster than you. So they took the bundles turn by turn and they too tried to break it. But they could not succeed, which means that the bundle of sticks did not break. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. You see the father smiling. He was a wise old man. He tells them, it's okay, you could not break the bundle of sticks. Now why don't you open up the bundle? So the sticks are now loose. They were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. Now the wise old man, their father, tells them, why don't you open the bundle of sticks and each one of you pick up one stick. So they all picked up a stick and they are thinking, what does he want them to do? He asked them to break it. And can you see how they are standing, thinking, now what is he trying to teach us? Let's see what he was trying to tell them. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. He had asked them to break the sticks, and they think that they are so strong that they could easily break the single stick. In no time, immediately they were able to break the sticks. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Now the wise old man is telling them, did you see how easily you could break those single sticks? But when 4 sticks were in a bundle, it was impossible to break them. So now he's telling them, if you are united, that is, if you are together, if you help each other and live in friendship, if you be friends with each other, what will happen? You will be stronger than any enemy. Who are your enemies? Who attack you, who come against you, or sometimes some difficult circumstances. So he's telling them, if you are together and help each other, you will be stronger than all of that. But if you are not united, what happens? If you are not united, you are divided. If you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, pointing fingers at each other, saying bad things about each other and not being good friends, not behaving and acting like brothers, you will be as weak as a single stick in that bundle, which was so easily bent and broken. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his son a meaningful look. Now the old man is trying to tell them something. That is why it is said a meaningful look. And he tells them, remember, united we stand. When you are together, united together, when you are united, you will always stand. Divided, when you all are separated, you will fall. United we stand, divided we fall. And then what happens when they learn this lesson? This time the brothers learned a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. Now they remembered the example of the stick, and instead of fighting among each other because of how differently they did things, they decided to work together, to start cooperating with each other, and they became successful. They used their different knowledge, their different interests, hobbies to expand their farming. And we can see how successful they became. They ventured out into different things and they started working together as a team. That is why the name of the lesson is Unity is Strength. And that is what we learn from this lesson. To remain united, because when we are united, we are strong. United we stand, divided we fall.
Thank you for watching. Kindly share, subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Drop in a comment to let us know what other lessons you would like us to make. We would love to hear from you.